Nike continues to strengthen its role in the growing gorpcore and outdoor-inspired streetwear movement by revisiting its all-conditions gear (ACG) lineup. While newer models like the ACG Zegama generate strong attention, the brand remains committed to reviving overlooked classics. One returning pair is the Nike ACG Izy, a rugged moc-style silhouette gaining renewed visibility as the ACG Rufus gradually fades from current conversations. The upcoming Nike ACG Izy Wheat highlights soft materials and a warm, season-ready color palette, giving it a versatile look suitable for outdoor activities and everyday wear. Designed for comfort and durability, the Izy fits Nike's goal of offering reliable, general-release options that blend function with modern streetwear appeal. Scheduled to launch in spring 2026 for $130, the ACG Izy Wheat stands as another solid entry in Nike's ongoing push into trail-influenced and outdoor-focused footwear, reinforcing the brand's commitment to both innovation and heritage.